Charter Avenue Student Accommodation offers an unparalleled experience in Coventry, allowing you to make the most of your student life. With a diverse range of shared and private accommodations, you have the option to choose an apartment that perfectly aligns with your priorities. The bedrooms are designed to make you feel at home and feature cozy beds for restful sleep. The windows invite in freshness and keep the room breezy. A chic study desk is accompanied by drawers and shelves, providing an organized space for your school supplies. The spacious wardrobe caters to all your clothing items and accessories. The pristine bathroom offers a refreshing shower experience. Exiting your room, you'll find a shared kitchen where you can cook a meal on the cooktop or reheat leftovers in the oven. Additional amenities include a study facility to prepare for exams. With the University of Warwick and Coventry University within walking distance, Charter Avenue is always bustling with activity. Enjoy dinner at Canley Bistro or pick up groceries from Aldi on your way back from college. For weekend adventures, catch a bus from 10 Shilling Wood to visit the Midland Air Museum. Life at Charter Avenue promises to be a joyride. Book your stay through amberstudent.com and embark on a memorable student journey in Coventry.